We just moved into a new home, and the first thing that happened when we moved in is that the handheld shower head broke. Now, I happen to have this one from our previous home, but it's the wrong color, and I decided to find a new great one for our new home. And I went with the AquaCare Luxury Handheld Showerhead for quite a few reasons. Let me open it up. First off, it has a great long cord. This will look good in my bathroom and give me a lot to work with. But it's really about this shower head. It has all the different settings I want. It has a variety of flows, and on the backside, it actually has two different forms of power wash that will spray out this front piece so I can easily keep my bathroom clean. Now, installing it is really simple. Obviously for me, I'm gonna twist it off at the wall here, but if I didn't already have this set up, I could also use it as my shower head. This nozzle would hook directly into the top here, and it could hook on right here with its hose coming out the bottom and connecting into it. Very simple to use. This is plastic, just so you know, it's not some fancy piece. And it also comes with a wall hook that simply sticks onto your wall. So you do have options. Now, to install it, it's simply a twist off and twist on process. It does come with plumber's tape, but I usually do this by hand without the tape first and make sure it works. You never want to over twist these, and it's better to do as little as possible. There we go. Let's turn it on. Really great massage spray. That one's awesome. And kind of more of a nice flow. It has more flow in the middle. This is the one I'll probably always leave it on, just great default. Then this one has some misty sprayers in the middle. This one's all mist. Really easy to switch between those. Now to do the power spray, it's on the top. If I put it to the right, it's really high pressure. And if I put it to the left, it's two sprayers. That works really, really well. This is great. It matches the bathroom. It looks really nice. I actually like the blue coloring as well, as it adds a little bit to it without being too much. And it fits just beautifully right there.